Thanks for stopping by, everyone. My name is Jeff, and Patriot One Technologies is a stock that we do cover quite frequently here on the channel. Like I said, I am invested in this company. I took advantage of some of the big dips that they've taken recently. So I just kind of want to update what's all been going on with Patriot One. And guys, they did have a pretty big achievement back at the end of January. And I would like to mention that to everybody that's invested in this company. Now, one great thing about Patriot One is that you can invest in this company without spending a bundle of cash. Like I said, guys, this stock is still trading under $2 a share, and I think it has a great potential. Possibly one of the best places that you can invest your money in stocks under $10. And they've recently been named as one of the top OTC stocks, and we are going to get to that in just a moment. But if this is your first time to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future updates or content. And drop a like on this video, guys. I would really appreciate that. So first, let's go over to the chart, guys, and kind of track their pricing over the past couple of months. So this is for ticker symbol PTOTF. This is the Patriot One listing on the American OTC exchange. So back in October, guys, Patriot One traded up as high as $2.22 up before getting traded down with the rest of the entire market. And here at the end of December, guys, that is when this stock hit a low, and I added to my position around $1.30. Of course, it did get a little bit lower, trading down to $1.15, and has since recovered up very, very nicely. Like I said, in early January, getting up to $1.90, and it took a little step back about mid-month, and now has traded up very well since, guys. And I'm really excited to see what 2019 has for Patriot One, and I do not think it will be long before Patriot One is trading back over the $2 range. Then, of course, back at the end of January, Patriot One announced that it has entered into a binding operating agreement with respect of a new joint venture to commercialize a technology for the standoff detection of explosives and other threats such as chemical and biological agents. And guys, that has been branded the PAT-Scan MCS, or multi-chemical sensor. And so some of the highlights of this new technology would be the ability to function covertly in non-invasive deployments and sample at distance, employing LOT-enabled hardware, operation as a standalone solution or integrated with related threat detection systems. And of course, this is probably the most important one, is that standoff mass casualty threat detection capability for both military and civilian applications. So if you'd like to read a little bit more about this new technology, guys, I will have this article linked up down in my comments section, so feel free to click on this and check it out yourself. But this is the big achievement that I wanted to share with everybody, guys. Of course, you know, most conventional wisdom and all of the stock gurus out there most of the time tell you to stay away from OTC traded stocks, especially if you live here in the United States. They're too high risk, and of course they don't report to the American SEC, so we can never really know fundamentally what these stocks have behind them. But Patriot One Technologies has been named to the 2019 OTC QX Best 50, okay? And guys, this is a ranking of the top performing companies traded on the OTC market last year. So this ranking is calculated based on an equal weighting of 1 year total return and average daily dollar volume growth in previous calendar year. Companies in the 2019 OTC QX Best 50 were ranked based on their performance in 2018. So I went ahead and pulled up the list of the top 50 guys, and Patriot One was ranked number 6, okay? So this was a very big achievement, like I said, being a Canadian company, but also trading on the OTC markets in the United States. And now in 2019, when they have this list again, guys, I hope Patriot One gets first place, okay? And maybe perhaps over the year of 2019, this might be taken off of the OTC markets and upgraded to the NASDAQ or New York Stock Exchange. But if it doesn't, I really would look forward to Patriot One being number 1 next year. And so I have been looking through this list a little bit, guys, and I don't think I'm invested in any of these other companies. Looks like there's quite a bit of marijuana companies. Looks like there's some gold miners. There's a uranium and vanadium corporation. Looks like there's a medical company. And even here, guys, it looks like there's some banks, computer services, a motor company. But to me, it looks like it's mostly marijuana and gold companies that made this list. So for the space that Patriot One is in, you know, they have definitely ranked very, very high. And this is something that they should be very proud of. And so real quick, guys, I am thinking about making a video where I rank the 5 or possibly 10 best stocks under $10. If you guys would like to see that video, go down to the comments section and mention that. And also let me know if you're invested in Patriot One. I would love to hear what you got to say about it. I think it is a great little company, and I think 2019 is going to be a fantastic year to be invested in Patriot One, especially as the markets are recovering. You know, it seems like we've got past that 24,000 mark on the Dow Jones. Now we're hovering at the $25,000 mark, and I hope in just a short amount of time that we're making more new all-time highs. But anyways, that's all I got for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching.